In this video, I will introduce you to Seagence. Seagence is a production-grade real-time defect monitoring platform that detects defects due to multi-threading issues, swallowed exceptions, caught exceptions, and others in your Java code using a unique approach. Let us see how Seagence works on a sample e-commerce application called Heat Clinic. As you can see, there are multiple items on the page, and I am going to add a few items to the cart. As you can see, both items have been successfully added to the cart and the cart size has increased to 2. Now I want to add this third item to the cart and see what happens. Know that, for the purpose of this demo, I have introduced a defect into the application which will occur when I add this item to the cart. I have introduced that defect in such a way that the exception causing the defect would be swallowed, and server would send a 200 HTTP response code to the browser. As you can see in the code, I introduced the defect by setting the product ID to null when it is 9. With null product ID, the call to add method will fail and throw an exception which will be caught and swallowed by the catch block instead of reporting it. I will open Developer Tools and then add the next item to the cart. As you can see, the request has failed to add the item to the cart and the cart size remained 2. And the server has sent an HTTP 200 success response code. Now the big question is how to debug this defect which has left no clue. Seagence comes to the rescue now. As Seagence is already monitoring this e-commerce application using a tiny Java agent, let us see what Seagence has detected. You see, an email alert has just arrived in the inbox with Seagence detected defect including root cause. Seagence, if connected to Datadog, can also report defects to your Datadog account. You see that the recent defect has just been reported to Datadog. You can also find all reported defects and context to all requests on Seagence Web. Seagence groups similar invocations into clusters, and clicking a cluster will list all cluster requests, and expanding a request will list all exceptions thrown during that request execution. Sounds good? Sign up for a free trial and see it for yourself.